Hello guys, in this lesson we're going to make this part, only the part in 2D. After that maybe I make the whole part in 3D in Autocad. So let's start. First we're going to let's draw this part and let's start. So we introduce 0, 0, enter, and the measure is, let me check, is this one, 52. Press the letter D for diameter, enter, and sorry, the measure is 52 millimeters. Now, if you give a double click, you can see this, the measure of the diameter is 52. It's okay. So now let's draw this part. A is 38. We draw first the height, 0, 0, enter. FA for a perpendicular view. We give 38. Now we draw a line, horizontal line. Sorry, and B, letter B is equal 66.5. So 66.5. And now we can draw the circle. The circle has a diameter with a measure, this letter D, 48. So press letter D, enter, 48. Now we can check it's okay. So now let's draw this rectangle. So center until this corner is F. F is 2 times B. B is 66.5. And it is 127. Sorry. Yes. So draw this line, 41, and after that an horizontal line with measure 127. Now let's check. Let's draw this line. The foot is 32. So here 32, and the F, 92 again, and horizontal line. Now cut this part on this, and it's okay. Now we draw this line. It doesn't matter the measure of this line. because now we can draw a circle with these specifications, tangency, and radio. So click, and the measure of the radio is x. The value is b/3. B is equal 66.5/3, 22,166. So 22.166. Enter. So could this part and this and this. Now let's draw a line in this corner. Cancel FA, press Shift and left button of the mouse. And you can see this menu. Press tangent, select this, cancel, again, select line, press Shift, second button the mouse, tangent, and select this and this. Delete again. Line, Shift, press second button and tangent. Again, Shift, press second button and tangent. It's okay. Now we can cut this part and this and this and this and this, and delete this line. Select, it's okay. Now we are going to write reg. Select region, this, select all the sketch, press enter. So this converting an single line. If you select, you can see select all the line. So now we change to a 3D model and select you can use this. I don't know how do you appear in your English version, but the icon is this. Select this and select orbit to change 3D. So press Ctrl Z again, orbit, escape, select, and you can give 14 millimeters. You can change the way to view, and here, and select realistic. Now you can see it's if you can see it's process large with another software like SolidWorks or Inventor or Katia, this process is more easy. So if you choose, if you can draw in this software, Autocad or another. So in another video we continue with this piece. For now, we finished the draw. I hope that you like this video. I hope I see you again and see you.